Okay, so we're inspecting an addition, which is a garage with a second floor. And inside the garage, the framing is horrible. It's really bad. Definitely not permitted, built by someone who did not know anything about structure and any kind of framing. So to prove my point, I come up here and I started jumping on the floor a little bit, and I could feel the give. And as I suspected, there's a big sag in the middle of the floor. So looking down here, you see my laser is about 2 1/4 inches on the tape. Over here, and you can see that it's 4 inches. Just come all the way over here, yep. 4 inches in the middle of this structure. So that's about 1 3/4 sag in the floor. And this is a second floor living area above a garage. And if you go all the way over here to the edge, then we're back to normal. It's about 2 1/4. So this is a structural problem that's going to need a structural engineer to figure out what to do. But literally it's a 19-foot span from one end of the garage to the front, from the front to the back. And they used 2x6s and then doubled them up with one 2x6 being supported by a 2x4 in the wall. If you know anything about framing, you'll know what I mean. That's pretty bad. That's it for now. Call theauthority.com in the next home inspection, and don't forget to hit subscribe.